ICICI Lombard Q3 FY26 results, steady growth or margin discipline? ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited has reported its financial performance for the third quarter of FY26, covering the period ended December 31, 2025. The results indicate steady execution in a competitive general insurance environment. During the quarter, the company recorded healthy growth in gross written premium. Performance was supported by balanced traction across motor, health, and other non-motor insurance segments. Underwriting discipline remained a key focus area for ICICI Lombard. Careful risk selection and pricing strategies helped maintain stability in loss ratios despite industry-wide claims pressure. The motor insurance segment continued to show stable demand trends. Improved pricing discipline and portfolio quality supported performance across both private and commercial vehicle categories. Health insurance remained a significant growth driver during the quarter. The company continued to manage claims efficiently while expanding coverage and enhancing service quality. Claims experience remained within manageable levels, supported by strong risk management practices. This helped protect underwriting margins during the quarter. Operating expenses were kept under control through efficiency initiatives and digital process optimization. Cost discipline remains central to sustaining long-term profitability. The company's solvency position stayed strong, providing comfort around balance sheet strength and capital adequacy. This supports growth while maintaining financial resilience. From an industry perspective, general insurance demand remains steady, driven by rising awareness, regulatory support, and increased penetration across retail and corporate segments. For investors, key metrics to monitor include combined ratio trends, premium growth quality, and claims experience. These indicators provide insight into earnings sustainability. Management continues to focus on profitable growth rather than aggressive volume expansion. The emphasis remains on underwriting discipline and customer-centric offerings. Overall, ICICI Lombard's Q3 FY26 results reflect consistent performance, prudent risk management, and stable growth prospects. The company remains well positioned within India's expanding general insurance market.